Hi guys, how are you? I'm good. This is Jarsos Lectures. Today by this video I bring you one very important lesson which is the topics of web programming course. Before starting my lectures, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my video, and to share the videos link and the channel link with your friends and with your neighbors since the lesson is very important. When I directly proceed, the lesson is about HTML table attributes. HTML table attributes. I have done already one video about HTML table, how to define the table, how to display the table within web browsers. I have done one video. So, if it is difficult for you, how we can define HTML tables, watch first before watching this one. First, watch for that my previous video. Now, by this video, I'm going to explain what is cell spacing and the cell padding and also others, other HTML table attributes. HTML table attributes. When I directly go to my point, the first one is cell spacing. Cell spacing. Now, those attributes like that of cell spacing, cell padding, and the others like that for border color, background colors of the table, each of them are implemented on the tables. Since the table is defined within web browsers by table tag, now we have to specify, we have to define each of them within opening tags of table tag. Opening tags of table tag. Since HTML attributes are defined within the element opening tag. This is the point. Cell spacing, either cell spacing, cell padding, and the others, each of them are what? Specified or defined within table opening tag. And what does we mean by cell spacing? This cell spacing is the attribute which is used to control or which is used to specify the space in between table cells. Space in between table cells. Look, for example, here. This is one table cells. This is one cells. This is another cells. This is also another cells. There is space in between the cells. Space in between. Look, this is the space. This is the space. So this space is what? Specified and controlled by cell spacing. The purpose of why we use cell spacing is to give or to provide or to control, which I can say, or to specify the space in between table cells. This is why we use cell spacing. And the other one is cell padding. Cell padding. Before coming to this one, look here. Although there is no official default, browser usually uses default of 2 in pixel. Later I'm coming to that one on practical parts or on practical exercises. And the next one is cell padding. This cell padding is used to specify spaces in between the contents of the cell. In the contents of the cell or data within the cell and the cell border. Look here the point. Now this is the data, for example, pitches. Look, this is the data or the contents of the cell, and this is the cell border or the cell wall. Look, it sets amounts of space between contents of the cell and the cell wall, or contents of the cell and the cell border, which we can say. This is the point. And the other attributes are there like that. So border color or border color, alignment, vertical align or vertical space, horizontal space, and the rules. As the name suggests, border color is color of border around the table. Use it to specify or use it to give the color for the borders of the table, for the table border. The next one is alignment, to put the table or either at the left or the center or the right. This is why we use alignment for aligning or for putting the table at the left, at the center, or at the right. Vertical align, vertical alignments of cell contents. Look, vertical space between table, vertical space in between table, horizontal space to give horizontal space between tables and the surrounding text. Rules, if we need to put internal borders of the color, those are the attribute we use to specify each of them. Let us see what this means practically. Let us go to the practical points. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is the text editors of HTML files. Okay, for example, there is one table which I have done already. Okay, erasing this one. Let me. This is the table. Within my previous video, I have drawn this table. I have write these HTML files, HTML programs to display one table within web browsers. Let us see what will be displayed by this one first. Look, this table is displayed on my browsers. Now, our point is cell padding, cell spacing, and other attributes. As I have already said, cell spacing is to give space in between cells of the tables. For example, let me say 50 cell spacing in between table. Look here, for example, look first. Now there is no, by default it is 2. Look, the space, no more space is there in between the cells. Now let us see what effect is done by this the space or the change that we have done. Look now, there is a distance, there is a more space provided in between the cells. This is one cell, this is one cell, another cell, this is also another cell, this all are another cells. So the purpose of using cell spacing is to specify or to control or to give space in between cells, space in between different cells. And then let us see for cell padding what will be done by cell padding. Cell padding equal to, let me make it 50. Okay, by saving the change that we have done. Let us look. Now the purpose of using cell pad is to control or to specify or to provide the space in between. Look, the content, this number is now content, the data which said content is the content. Now this is the contents of the cell, and here is the cell border, or here is the cell wall, which you can say the cell border, or this one is the borders of the cell, and this is the contents of the cell. Now to specify or to control the space in between the contents of the cell or the data within the cell and the cell border or the cell wall, we use cell padding. This is the purpose of using cell pad. Why we use cell pad is to specify the space in between the contents of the cell and the cell wall, or the contents of the cell and the cell border. This is why we use cell pad. And the others are there. Okay, let us see, for example, other attributes like that of border color, align, vertical space, horizontal space, and the rules are there. Let us see what effect will be done by this border color or the border color one. The border color attribute is okay. Here let me say border color equal to let me say red. By saving the change, let me check what will happen on my browser. look, the border color of the cell is to specify the border color. uh, here okay, sorry. Now those are the attributes of the table, attributes of the table that are defined within the table opening tag. The table attributes that are defined within table opening tag: cell padding, cell spacing, border color, or border color, which I can say alignment. Alignment means, as I have already explained within my previous video, to specify the alignment. Look here, align center, to put the center, the table at the center. Here, look, now our table is at the center. We can put at the right, we can put at the right, and we can put at the left. We use alignment for that. And here, this is also to align the vertical alignment. Here is for vertical space, horizontal space, and the rules are there for defining the internal borders of our tables. Those all are the attribute that we can define on the table. Be in mind, this is not for uh, table heading, or not for the table data, for the table. They are defined within table opening tags. Since it is the container tag types, it is defined within table opening tags. And what I want to summarize here is that also the two major cell padding and the cell spacing are used to specify spaces. To specify spaces. In case of cell spacing, it is used to specify, or it is used to control the space in between cells of tables. Cells of table. When I say cells, for example, look, here number, here name. This is one cell, this is another cell. Here one, here two. Here one, here the liver. Those are two cells. Look, this cell and this cell, or this cell and this cell. This is the purpose of cell spacing, or this space provided in between cells. The effects of cell spacing, to specify or to control the space in between different cells, the effects of cell spacing. And the cell padding is to provide or to control or to specify space in between the contents of the cell and the cell border. Cell borders. Those are the main point. And also what I want to note here again is that what you bear in your mind is that both cell spacing and the cell padding are as their value they use numbers, which is in pixel. Numbers in pixel. Look, cell padding here, cell spacing here. They use number in pixels, and they are specified in the table opening tags. And now we have specified cell spacing here, and this is specified for all the table. Look, they are specified here within the table opening tag. And then now it is not for single column, it is not for single row, or it is not for single cells, but it is what? For all the table. And also another point is that they are not using both of them together. Using both of them together is not mandatory. We can use cell spacing, and we can leave cell padding. We can use cell padding, and we can leave cell spacing as we want. Using both of them together is not mandatory. But when we apply them once, for example, here we have specified cell spacing here, and this cell spacing 50 in pixel is applied for all the table. Rather, it is not for single column, or it is not for single row. That is my point. Within this video summary, we have seen different attributes that we can specify for the tables. and majorly we have focused on cell spacing and the cell padding. Cell padding is for specifying the space or for controlling the space in between the contents of the cell and the cell border, and the cell spacing is for specifying the space in between different cells. This is all what I have for this video. If there is any unclear ideas or if there is any ambiguity, you can raise by writing or by putting it down on the comments of this video. And what I want to tell you again is that if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my videos, and to share the videos link and the channel link with your friends and with your neighbors, since the lesson is very important. This is all what I have for this video. Thank you for your time. Bye bye bye.